So we're back with another video. It's been a while I make a video, so I'm gonna make a video with my car. The car, as you see, the car is loaded up. We're about to head to Florida to BMW Invasion. You can check us out in the CSF booth. I'll be there with my car. You see my car. You can come and say hi. We could talk for a little while, whatever. But after BMW Invasion, we're gonna go to the track. We're gonna go to Euro Wars. So I'm gonna enter the B58 versus Gaza class. So y'all stay tuned. Or if y'all like the track, y'all can pull up. Y'all gonna see what's happening. So good morning, YouTube. I'm about to install a CSL light I received from R44 over in England throughout the R44. I put the link in the description right here. I'm about to install this light right now in my car. So y'all stay tuned to see what's going on. So you see the lights is white right now. So I'm gonna go before and after. So I just finished install the CSL LED light. This right here. Hopefully I can show you guys. Yeah, so it's right here. I'm just finishing to install it. As you can see, the car pretty much fit the car up back and it's ready. Oh, let me show you guys the light. Install clean by myself. Pretty good. Just pulled up Titan Motorsports. We're about to go do like a little small video shoot.
I'll give you both $8
for the event. All the cars over there. Supras. So I try to give you guys behind the scene before I do the video shoot out. Shout out to Titan. That's R8 right there. Supra.